Good morning. Repotting time. Can't always do an update or a nature walk, can we? For some reason, repotting videos aren't that popular anymore. Cymbidium, Magic Vogel, which is a stupid name. This spike is going over. This one, not yet, but it will probably will when I put it in a new pot. This is, it's not really a mini, but it's also not a maxi. The white one and the red one I have are way larger and they have narrower leaves. And if I put my green one next to this one, which I will do now, oh yeah, and it's still in spike or in flower. Yeah, it's super pretty. It's producing a few new growth and yeah, the pot is starting to warp, but this one, yeah, I think you can do another season in this one. But look at the difference. These are, well, I'm gonna take one that's twice the size. And why that is, no idea, but it probably won't get any bigger. Oh, yeah. I got this with discount, and because I got it on a discount, I'm going to film this. These go for 30-35 euros usually, and I got this one for 20, and the reason it was for 20 is in here. And when I take it out of the pot, it is probably worth a lot less. I'm going to take the flower spike off. Be careful of new growth, because there's new growth here, which I will break if I do it like this. That's a very skinny spike for a Cymbidium. Oh, there we go. And a very heavy one. Ooh, that's a nice fresh green. That only needs a little bit of cinnamon. There we go. Yeah, you see, it's too easy. I think that it's rotten all the way. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this one as well because it's in the way, or is it? Yeah, that's overly heavy. Should I or shouldn't I? Well, we're gonna try it like this. If I lose it, I lose it. And if not, it's okay. Oh. Damn. Yeah. It's in cocoa stuff. That's, well, yeah, that's that. There we go. Vellum. This is a root. This is the root. You can hardly see it. There, that's the root, the actual root. Oh, jongens. There's a lot of good stuff. Aha! Look! That has been done before. Yeah, I'm gonna do this off camera because it's going to take way too long. Is it? Well, yeah, it's cocoa coir, very fine bark. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Maybe I can put it in a vase or a bottle of water. There we go. That works a lot better. Oh yeah, I was going to put you on pause. Pause. Okay, well, that wasn't that bad. Look at this. I still got these dead tips. Yeah, I wonder why they did this because it doesn't really make sense. It's growing a bit wonky. This one is starting way lower than the rest. So, I'm gonna take this pot. This is the largest size I can get, at least not without having to do stuff on internet. And I'm going to pot them in that stuff. Yeah. I did so with the rest. And it's basically all they need. This has Osmo coat in it. First time I work with the stuff. I already potted up my monsteras. And now let's see how this one does. This is really coarse stuff. And yeah. It has this sphagnum in it. There are little bits of wood. Yeah, they should do nicely. And it may look like a big pot, but it will fill it at the end of summer, just as the small green one did. Yeah. And Cymbidiums don't mind to be a little tied up. So you can press the dirt pretty hard. Yeah, I thought you would. It's in the way. There we go. That's better? Yeah, much better. And now I'm going to give it a good shake. So, now the dirt is in every nook and cranny. Now I'm gonna press it in real good. Yeah, I can't put them outside. Well, yeah, at least not for another few years. We need to get a little bit more global warming, and then I can put them outside all year round. So, go global warming. It also means I can put everything outside. It's even better. Yeah. And you don't have to apply much force, but it needs to be tight. How tight? Well, it needs to be that tight. You will need to be able to lift the plant without it falling out of the pot. At least, that's what they say. Yeah, that's enough. Cymbidium, where's the tag? Here, aye. And we need to put a date on that. Yes, I do that. It's been recommended by several people, and after long thinking about it, I decided to date my tags. There we go. Well, that's one. No roots on the outside. Pot feels firm. Yeah, no, it could be tighter, but never mind. And in a few weeks' time, we're going to see roots on the outside. They are that fast. It's also the time they can go outside. Yippee! I think I'm going to build a special Cymbidium room, because, well, I know now how the trick works. And now I'm going to stop. Yes. 13 minutes. Yeah. Later.